Have you ever wondered on a crisp autumn night, far from the glow of city lights, what that faint, hazy oval hovering just beyond the constellation of Pegasus might be? Is it merely a wisp of cloud, or something far more profound? A swirling metropolis of stars hurtling through the void at over 250,000 miles per hour? And who exactly is this cosmic neighbor, so close yet veiled in mystery, that it could one day reshape our entire sky? Welcome to Journey to Andromeda, our cosmic neighbor, a documentary exploration of M31, the Andromeda Galaxy. Drawing from NASA's unparalleled archives, including Hubble's breathtaking mosaics and Chandra's piercing X-ray visions, we'll embark on a voyage across 2.5 million light-years. Prepare to witness the birth of stars, the dance of ancient giants, and a collision foretold billions of years in the future. Let's dive in. Our story begins not with telescopes, but with the unaided human eye. For over 2,000 years, Andromeda has whispered to us from the heavens, its subtle glow inspiring awe across cultures. Ancient Persian astronomers in the 10th century dubbed it the small cloud, a delicate veil in the night. To the indigenous Andromeda people of the Pacific Northwest, it evoked a sacred salmon drying rack, a symbol of abundance suspended in the celestial river. In Greek mythology, it was linked to the chained Princess Andromeda, rescued by Perseus, a tale etched into the stars themselves. But it was the French astronomer Charles Messier in 1764 who formally catalogued it as M31, dismissing it as a nebula, a mere cloudy patch adrift within our Milky Way. Unbeknownst to him, this nebula stretched an immense 220,000 light-years across, 6 times the width of our galaxy's visible disk, and harbored a staggering trillion stars, dwarfing the Milky Way's 200 to 400 billion. The turning point came in the 1920s when American astronomer Edwin Hubble, peering through the 100-inch Hooker telescope at Mount Wilson Observatory, detected pulsating Cepheid variable stars within M31. These stellar beacons, acting as cosmic yardsticks, unveiled Andromeda's true distance, 2.5 million light-years away. Overnight, Andromeda transformed from a local curiosity into a full-fledged galaxy, shattering the notion of an isolated universe and proving that island universes dotted the cosmos. This paradigm shift not only expanded our cosmic horizon, but also laid the groundwork for the Big Bang Theory, fueling the explosive growth of modern cosmology and our understanding of an ever-expanding universe. Fast forward to the space age, and NASA's Hubble Space Telescope has emerged as our unparalleled guide to Andromeda's enigmatic depths. In January 2025, Hubble unveiled its most ambitious portrait yet, a colossal 2.5 billion pixel mosaic, painstakingly assembled over more than a decade from over 1,000 orbits and 600 overlapping snapshots captured in near-ultraviolet, visible, and near-infrared light. This panoramic masterpiece, born from the panchromatic Hubble Andromeda Treasury, POT, in its southern counterpart past surveys, resolves over 200 million individual stars, merely a fraction of Andromeda's stellar census, across a disk spanning 6 times the moon's apparent diameter in our sky. Viewed nearly edge-on at a 77-degree tilt, Andromeda reveals itself not as a hazy blur, but as a vibrant, barred spiral galaxy, a dynamic sibling to the Milky Way, yet grander in stature and complexity. Envision a colossal pinwheel etched in stardust. At its heart pulses a dense, ellipsoidal bulge crammed with ancient radiating from this fiery core. Andromeda's two majestic spiral arms sweep outward like the elegant wings of a mythical dragon, their curves traced by rivers of hydrogen gas that ignite in brilliant blue clusters of hot young stars and vast nebulae. The stellar nurseries where gravity sculpts chaos into light. These arms throb with star formation at a prodigious clip, birthing up to 100 new suns each year, a rate that eclipses the Milky Way's more leisurely pace, and is stoked by the gravitational prods of Andromeda's satellite companions, such as the compact elliptical M32 and the irregular dwarf M110. Standout features include NGC 206, a sprawling star cloud in the northeastern arm, teeming with O and B-type behemoths that blaze with ultraviolet fury, carving dark dust lanes that weave like shadowy veins through the galaxy's fabric. Spitzer's infrared overlays unveil these lanes as crimson shrouds, veiling pockets of intense activity where protostars emerge from collapsing gas clouds, destined to flood the cosmos with light and heavy elements. Encasing this luminous disk is Andromeda's expansive halo, a spherical shroud of dark matter laced with over 500 globular clusters, twice the Milky Way's tally. These ancient bastions, each harboring hundreds of thousands of stars forged in the universe's youth, stand as silent witnesses to Andromeda's cannibalistic past, when it devoured smaller galaxies, scattering their remnants like cosmic confetti. Remarkably, Hubble's sharp eye has spied unexpected young blue stars even here in the halo, defying models and suggesting ongoing interactions that ripple through the galaxy's outskirts. Yet beneath Andromeda's stellar splendor lurk fiercer secrets unveiled by NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory in its June 2025 composite portrait, a symphony of wavelengths blending Chandra's high-energy blues with ultraviolet from Galax, optical from ground observatories, infrared from Spitzer and Herschel, and radio from the Green Bank telescope. This multifaceted vista spotlights a dazzling array of X-ray fireworks. Pinpoint bursts from binary pairs, where neutron stars or stellar mass black holes ravenously strip gas from doomed companions, superheating it to millions of degrees in accretion disks that scream across the electromagnetic spectrum. At the core, Chandra tracks the supermassive black hole's erratic temper, including a dramatic 2013 flare that spiked emissions tenfold over 15 years of monitoring, offering clues to how these monsters feed and flare. In the northern spiral arm, vast superbubbles, cavernous voids sculpted by chains of supernova blasts from short-lived massive stars, expand like ethereal balloons, enriching the interstellar medium with forged iron, gold, and the building blocks of worlds. Andromeda's elemental makeup echoes our own galaxies, roughly 70% hydrogen, 28% helium, and a scant 2% of heavier metals born in stellar hearts. But its elevated metallicity whispers of a more voracious history, with frequent mergers stripping and blending the innards of swallowed satellites, gifting Andromeda a richer palette for planetary alchemy. Andromeda reigns not in isolation, but as the undisputed titan of the local group, our intimate cluster of over 50 galaxies, gravitationally entwined across 10 million light-years. While the Milky Way measures a modest 100,000 light-years wide with its billions of suns, Andromeda looms larger, 220,000 light-years in diameter, boasting a trillion stars and 50% more mass. its gravitational grip commanding an entourage of satellites like the enigmatic M32, likely the stripped core of a once spiral victim, and M110, a dusty irregular laced with young stars. This dominance isn't mere pomp. It's a force of inexorable destiny. Since the 1990s, Doppler shifts have clocked Andromeda's inexorable advance at 110 kilometers per second, barreling toward the Milky Way on a trajectory that Hubble's latest data refines with chilling precision. NASA's June 2025 supercomputer Odyssey, 100,000 simulations crunching dark matter halos, stellar orbits, and triangulum's M33 meddling influence, paints vivid scenarios of our galactic tango. In roughly 4.5 billion years, the spirals will plunge into a gravitational waltz, their disks twisting like molten pancakes in a stellar forge, flinging stars into luminous tidal tails that stretch for millions of light years. The climax births Milkomeda, an elliptical behemoth from the wreckage, its core ablaze in a starburst inferno as compressed gas ignites a frenzy of new suns. Breathe easy, though. No cataclysm awaits humanity in this celestial ballet. With stars spaced trillions of miles apart, collisions between them are as improbable as threading a cosmic needle. Our sun and its planetary brood will merely sling into wider orbits, perhaps granting future skywatchers, should Earth endure the sun's red giant phase, a breathtaking vista of Andromeda's disk blotting half the heavens. Yet, Hubble's May 2025 analysis introduces a twist. The collision's odds now hover at 50-50 within the next 10 billion years, swayed by dark matter's invisible choreography and M33's potential deflection. An August 2025 Hubble snapshot of a distant merger's explosive core previews the fireworks, blazing nuclei merging in a blaze of glory, reminding us that such unions sculpt galaxies anew, recycling stars and gas into fresher forms. Our odyssey through Andromeda's wonders is a testament to NASA's trailblazing spirit. The 2025 Hubble mosaic not only maps merger scars from a billion years past, when Andromeda engulfed a gas-laden dwarf, igniting its central blue disk, but also chronicles a stellar saga from the survey's trove of over 100 million resolved suns, twinkling like urban sprawl from afar. Spitzer's 2005 infrared sweeps exposed hidden nurseries cloaked in dust, while Chandra's 2025 tableau lays bare the galaxy's scorching viscera. Supernova echoes, rogue black holes adrift, and the central engine's variable heartbeat. Peering ahead, the James Webb Space Telescope's infrared prowess could soon dissect Andromeda's earliest clusters, while the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, slated for launch as early as fall 2026, vows panoramic halo hunts for rogue worlds and dark matter's subtle fingerprints, bridging our view of this proxy galaxy to the Milky Way's obscured truths. Still, Andromeda tantalizes with profound enigmas that humble our grasp. Why does its rotation curve flatten so dramatically, demanding even more dark matter than theorized to bind its outer reaches? What faint signals pulse from its globular clusters, those 13-billion-year-old vaults preserving the Big Bang's afterglow? Could streams of halo stars betray yet unseen satellites, or harbor the galaxy's first rogue planets adrift in eternal night? And amid those trillion suns, do teeming exoplanets circle, their inhabitants gazing back at our Milky Way as a hazy specter, dreaming of their own distant kin? These riddles propel us onward, For Andromeda isn't just a celestial postcard, it's a living laboratory mirroring our galactic adolescence. As we wrap this voyage, let Andromeda's glow linger in your mind. Not a remote flicker, but a twin to the Milky Way, a harbinger of our intertwined fate. Step outside tonight. Let your eyes hunt that subtle ellipse. It's a thread across the abyss, affirming that in space's vast weave, isolation is illusion. We're all kin. Gratitude to NASA and astronomers worldwide for these revelations. But the stars summon fresh voyagers. You. Hit subscribe for more stellar sagas. Drop a like if Andromeda ignited your cosmic curiosity, and share with fellow stargazers. Until our next leap, keep your gaze skyward. The universe awaits.